Adding a hyperlink is a convenient way to link to other parts of your document or places on the web. To create a link from one point in your file to another, select your item, and then select Hyperlink, or press Ctrl-K. Under Link to, select Place in this document. Choose where you'd like the link to connect to, and select OK. Now when you click on the new link, you'll go to that spot in your file. To create a link to the web, type the web address, and then press Spacebar or press Enter to have an instant link. This same idea applies to linking your email. Type out your email address and then press Enter.